I just want to thank all of the incredible men and women who have done such a great job to helping with floods at Kerala. One of the worst we ever seen from flooded water in Kerala. Really, how we had an experience like it. Certainly, it's not good. But people of Kerala, South Kerala and North Kerala, all the affected area, you have been incredible. It's been lost of life, and may God be with them and their families. It's very tough, and it's tough one, and tough to understand. This has been a really difficult period of time for a lot of peoples. The job done by military, voluntaries and Coast Guard, what you've done and saving so many lives, it's been really something special. Lord, for has been always. Again, I have just want to thank everybody of doing such a great job with a very difficult situations. Floods has been a nasty one, a big one. Certainly, it's been never seen before like this. Thank you. God bless you.